What is up, guys? Today we are filming here in Griffith Park, Los Angeles. So most of you guys don't have enough money to purchase a good camera or a good lens, but you always have an option right in your pocket, and I'm talking about your smartphone. So in today's video we're gonna make a cinema looking viral sequences filming on my iPhone 13 Pro. You can basically use any phone that you have, but I have iPhone, so let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start my scene by going through this bush and going up. Alright, so here we have this beautiful, kind of beautiful, it's okay, a small bridge. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through the bridge. I'm gonna put my camera, my iPhone, right here on the corner, and I'm gonna use the front camera just to make sure that I'm on focus. Just like this. I'm gonna click on. Okay, so we're gonna add a small detail. So you probably saw when I was running, I touched the bridge like this and I looked back. So I'm gonna make a close shot of that, little details to, you know, to express that vibes of me touching it. That's kind of look weird. If you feel like it's not safe for your camera, for your phone to do these tricks, don't do it. Alright, so it's kind of a cool angle. Okay, we're turning back to this bridge. I just thought it's good to film your, you know, your feet walking this bridge. So again, I'm putting on the phone camera. I'll just put it here. I really hope I won't break my phone today. It's kind of a hassle to put your phone on a good spot. Alright, so alright. Okay, so we got the shot here. We're gonna go ahead, look for some more interesting elements. So let's go. As you guys see, this way up to the road. Don't just run, don't just jump. Try to make it as stable as possible, okay? Alright, now I'm gonna fill my face. When you are doing something on camera, make anything, make some moves, okay? Don't go still like this. It's not interesting. Look back, look right, just do anything. It's kind of like this. Alright guys, I'm still adjusting the exposure. It's pretty harsh sun. So as you see, it's too bright here and it's too dark here. The camera doesn't know what you want to expose exactly. So I'm just gonna go down, down, down and make the shot very, very quick. Okay, the last shot is going to be my face when I'm lying down on the bench. It's way too bright here, so I'm gonna go all the way down on my exposure. Now, last shot. it's fine. Alright guys, I guess that's the end of the story of a walking man in a forest and a jungle. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna put some cool music, make some editing tricks, and let's see what we got. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe button guys, we're building a new family here. I'll see you guys in the next video pretty soon. Bye.